Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker homemade hamburger helper. I have my pressure cooker set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding in about a pound and a half of ground beef. And I bought it in bulk. I'm going to freeze the rest of it. Give my hands a quick rinse. And if you've been wondering why I haven't been showing my face on camera, my allergies are acting up and my face is a little puffy. So that's why I've been hiding my mug from you. So I'm going to go ahead and brown my ground beef up. And after it's about halfway browned up, I have one red bell pepper I diced up and one onion. I'll add that in halfway through and finish sauteing it in with the ground beef. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned and my onions and peppers are sauteed, and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of beef broth. I'm also going to add in 3 cans of milk, or 3 cups of milk, not cans, cups. I'm going to add in 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Now this here is a 30-ounce can or 29 point something. It was actually cheaper to buy the big one than a small one, so I'll just add half of that in and I'll freeze the rest of it. Give that a stir. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of the diced garlic. Now if you use fresh, use 2 cloves and add them in when you add in your onions and your peppers. Saute them in there. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And a teaspoon, we'll go for half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I think I'm going to add in just a little more crushed tomato because I didn't quite get half that can in there. Alright, let me stir that up. Okay, now I have a 16-ounce box of dried elbow macaroni. These are the extra long elbow macaronis. Just about any kind of pasta would work for this. I'm going to add that in there. Give it a stir. I'm going to put my lid on here and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes, we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, my time's up. I did that quick release of the pressure. And look at how good that's looking already. Now I'm going to add in some cheese. I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to start by adding in about a cup. I'm going to stir that in. Now you could do this in your Ninja Foodie and put a nice crispy crust on top, like as if you did it in the oven. But I'm not really worried about that today. We just want a nice creamy cheese sauce in there. And we're going to add more cheese in. We'll go for another cup. And guys, this makes enough to feed an army, so if you have a large family or if you want leftovers to freeze and eat later, or even just put in a refrigerator and snack on in the evening when you're watching TV, this will get the job done for you. A little more cheese in there. My motto is more cheese, more better. Can't go wrong with cheese. Now, if you like your pasta al dente, I would pressure cook this for 6 minutes, but I like mine tenders, that's why I went for 8 minutes. Alright guys, this is looking good. I'm going to stir this cheese in here and we'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Before I dig in guys, I want to give a quick shout out to my son Eric's friend Sarah. Eric tells me Sarah likes watching my videos. How you doing, Sarah? Thanks for watching my videos. Now I'm going to dig in here and give this a try, guys. It's creamy, cheesy, well seasoned. Get some of that beef. It was really easy, it's really delicious, and it's a lot better than the crap you get out of the box, guys. And dollar for dollar, it's cheaper too. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker homemade hamburger helper. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.